Hi everyone, today with me I have this lash lift kit I found off Amazon, and I've tried it both on my mom's and my lashes as well. I absolutely love the results, and it comes with everything you could possibly need. So let's take a look inside. First of all, you get the instructions. Definitely recommend reading those thoroughly. You're going to want to start by cleansing your eyes and then putting in the self-adhesive lift pad. When you're doing the self-adhesive lift pad, you want to make sure you choose the correct one to give you the shape and the curl you want. Both me and my mom went for the S one, which is the smallest one, but you can choose any of the other ones. And here's what that looks like. These are washable as well, so whenever you're done using them, you can just wash them and they'll go back to being sticky, which is super great. You're also going to get a couple of skin barrier creams, applicators, spoolies, and these little pads to put onto your lower eyelids to make sure that none of the products get in touch with your skin or your lower little lashes. So make sure you use those before starting the whole process. You're also going to get a couple applicators to really make it easier, and these ones have little combs on the end, so they really brush up every single one of your eyelashes. So let's talk about all the different products that you're going to receive and which order to use them in. The first thing you're going to do is apply the perm glue. Here's how that looks. It comes with a little applicator, which makes it super easy to apply, and the glue goes right onto the lift pads where you're going to brush up your eyelashes and make sure they all stick onto the pad. Next, you can go ahead and use the applicator to put on the perm, and that stays for 10 to 12 minutes with some kind of plastic film covering it. After the 10 to 12 minutes, you're going to go ahead and put the number 2, which is fixation, and again, 10 to 12 minutes you're going to just lay down and let that really set in. Lastly, you're going to wash out your eye. You can use the cleanser to really get everything out, and then lastly, the nutrition to give every single ounce of help to your eyelashes, especially after the entire process you just put them through. So I absolutely love that they cover every single thing you need. Everything is here, and it definitely lasts not only for a couple of weeks, but it's really easy to do at home by yourself after a couple of minutes of practice. Be patient, but it definitely makes a difference, and I think this is so much better than getting the little fake eyelashes that end up falling out. This one looks so much natural, and it definitely is worth it. So check out this whole lash kit on Amazon. It's definitely a must-have for my eyelashes.